Devon Larratt explained when he would like to have his third super match against Levan Saginashvili. But before that, let's talk about Devon's comments about Vitaly Laletin. Vitaly Laletin is incredible. He is such a talented guy in the sport. He is the guy who can certainly rule the super heavyweight division for an extended period of time. Vitaly checks all the boxes. Devon said that he was following Vitaly since he saw his 10-minute match at WAF. He was only weighing around 100 kilos back then and he was still incredible. Devon saw Vitaly's genetic potential. He saw that very early. And maybe that's the reason why Devon has been pretty open about the fact that when he hears people say that Vitaly has never trained seriously for arm wrestling, he wants those words to be just rumors. Because for him, the fact that Vitaly has never trained seriously is a very scary thought, because then nobody knows how strong Vitaly can get. But despite that, from everything we have seen so far, except one thing which I'm going to mention soon, everything tells us that Devon should be ahead of Vitaly Laletin and he should win that match, especially in the straps, without much trouble. But that one thing is Matt Mask causing some troubles in the past to Devon Larratt. That's why Devon immediately called Matt after defeating Petrenko and told him that he should go up against Petrenko. He will win that match too. Once again, what's the reason behind that? Because Devon gets some trouble from Matt that he didn't get from Oleg Petrenko. So is that because Matt is so good, or is that because Devon also faces some troubles when he gets across the table against a guy who has a pretty long forearm? Because there are many guys who Devon can beat easily, but then they destroy Matt Mask much easier than Devon Larratt, and that is the only reason why people believe that Vitaly can be the favorite against Devon Larratt. So to put it in simple words, Devon has never faced an opponent who is as tall as Vitaly Laletin. When Devon was asked about the third Levan Saginashvili match, he said he would like to pull Levan even on February 15th at East vs West 16, but now on the left arm. Initially, he was ready for the right arm match too, but now obviously he's preparing for Gennady Kvikvinia, but his left arm is free to have a super match. He said that Morozov ran away from the match, Levan ran away from the match, nobody is ready. And in fact, Morozov would rather pull Vitaly than pull him. That shows that Morozov is scared of Devon's left arm. Devon said that he will pull Levan for the third time only if he believes that he actually has a chance. Because after the first time, he said he will never face Levan, but he still went against Levan for the second time. So this time, he will have to be even more sure that he actually can win that match, otherwise it's not happening. Or the second condition is he just goes through the entire division one more time. So he beats Vitaly Laletin, I'm assuming he's also included in the list, Gennady Kvikvinia of course, Artem Morozov on the right arm, Michael Todd maybe, or maybe even Hermes Gasparini for the second time. Then the third Levan Saginashvili match will be inevitable. Devon also talked about Denis Siplenkov for a moment, but before that, let's take a look at Devon's predictions. Todd versus Irakli. So Devon knows that Irakli is pretty strong now, especially in that 95 kg division, but he still believes that for a top roller to defeat Todd Hutchings 4 times in a row, it's a tough task and maybe Irakli cannot do that. But when we look at it, Irakli has beaten guys like Rustam Babayev and Sasho Andreev. Yes, none of these two guys have as good of a pronation as Todd Hutchings, but still they are pretty strong. I mean, Rustam just beat Sandris Chedis with ease. He didn't even feel him too much. Devon predicted Oleg to win against Daniel Prokopchuk. He said that Oleg's hand is going to be weird, it's going to be awkward. So Daniel does not have the horsepower that Bethkili Onyani has, and if Oleg can take Bethkili's hand, he will for sure take Prokopchuk's hand and win the match. Then he was talking about Denis Siplenkov. When the question was asked, Devon said that I have more surgeries than Denis and I'm older than Denis. So Denis should not have the excuse of being injured or the excuse of being old. He should man up and face Devon one more time on the left arm. That's it for this video. Please hit the thumbs up and I'll see you again.